Hey, lovely people, welcome back to queent'stv where we talk about natural hair, baking, cake decoration, fashion, lifestyle, and inspiration. You're warmly welcome. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, hit the notification bell as well. Subscribe now so you don't miss out anything that comes from me. So today I have Mpuh fish. If you don't know what mpufish is, this is a Cameroonian delicacy. Oh my god, it's so delicious. And it's been made from ground dried plantains. I'm going to show you guys the procedure from the beginning to the end. It's very delicious. In Cameroon, one thing I love my country is the fact that we have varieties. I mean, we have lots of food, different types. I mean, it's really amazing in Cameroon. We have a lot of food, different types. You can take one food stuff to produce different types of meal. Like for example, corn, you can make corn chaff, you can make cookie corn, you can make pap, you can make so many things. I just can't list them. So guys, please keep watching. So I cooked this with my younger sister, and the first thing we did was to dry the plantains. Normally, when you get that back home, it's already been ground, but since we are abroad, we had to do something. So we got plantains that's not so big. Then we dried it in the oven slowly. It's very important. You don't need to buy the big plantains, you need to buy the smaller ones. And then you put it in the oven and you have to dry it slowly, not at high heat. That's in case you don't have already ground plantains from home. First thing is to blend it till it's really like dust. Then you get your fish set, clean it up. The spices we dash the ground plantains in the plastic, and then we have country onions, we have jangsa, we have pepper and three corner spice. And then we also used some bush pepper, and then we blended onions, we blended everything together with some onions. Now add in salt and maggi to your blended spices, and then you mix some spices in the fish, not all, just half of it. Mix it in the fish. Then the rest you're going to use for your ground plantain, so you don't need to mix everything in the fish. Just keep the rest aside. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe now so you don't forget. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out anything that comes from me. Fish is definitely not an easy meal, but I assure you that if you follow this procedure keenly, you will do a good job. And trust me, you will enjoy this meal. Ciao. Have a nice time.